Hello, today I'm going to be doing the sunflower art painting. I'm going to be telling you guys what you guys are going to need to do this fun art activity with your children. So you're going to need white construction paper. This is I believe it's a drawing pad, but you can also use one of these. You're also going to need a straw. You're going to need a fork, some yellow paint, some brown paint, some green paint, some Q-tips. You're only going to need about 2 or 3, a paintbrush, some tape, and some scissors. Okay, and then we're going to get started. So what we're going to start by doing first is you're going to use your construction paper, and you are going to grab your straw, and you're going to cut it to be, I want to say like half of the straw. And then you're going to grab 1/2, and you are going to put some tape, and you're going to put it down here. This is going to be you're gonna tape it on right here, and this is gonna serve as your sunflower stem. So I'm gonna grab some tape, and I am gonna go in on here. And bear with me, I'm recording by myself today, so I don't have anybody to help me, so it's kind of hard. So it's gonna look like this, and then what you're gonna start by doing next is, I forgot to mention, you're also going to need one of these little trays, so you don't like make a mess anywhere. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some of this brown paint. Brand new, so I haven't used this color. So then I am gonna place this, and I bought this at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna place a little bit right here. The brown is going to be it is going to be the center of the sunflower. You don't need to put the yellow on the tray, because what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dip our fork inside the yellow paint. So what I'm gonna do is then I'm just gonna apply green to one of them, and this is gonna be the grass. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab my paintbrush, and I'm gonna paint some grass next to my stem, which is my straw. I'm gonna paint some grass. And this activity is really cute to do with the children, so you can hang up their paintings for display. And what I'm gonna do for my lesson plan is I'm gonna talk to them about sunflowers and explain to them what sunflowers are and how they grow. And then after that, we're gonna do this activity. So they'll be learning about sunflowers. Okay, so this is how my painting looks so far. Just grass. I'm doing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So then you're gonna grab one of your these Q-tips, and then you're gonna dump it inside the inside of your, it's okay. You're gonna dump it inside of your brown paint, and you're going to draw, you're gonna place little dots like this to make it look like it's the middle of the sunflower where all the seeds are. And Q-tip painting is really fun to do, and you're incorporating it into this activity, which is fun. Okay, so I'm doing this pretty quickly, so I don't really have time, and some paint spilled on there, but it's okay. So it's going to look like this, the middle of the sunflower. Afterwards, you're gonna need a fork, and you can either place it on your painting, or you can dump your fork inside of the paint. I'm gonna put some on my painting tray, and then I'm just going to go like this. And then I am going to do little streaks like this. To make it look like a sunflower. And if the colors mix, that's okay. And if you're in a classroom, you can use plastic forks. You don't have to use these, but since I am home and I don't have plastic forks, I'm using one of these. And it's okay to use what you have at your house, because I'm using washable paint, so it'll wash off. This. And you're just going to make streaks with your fork. And this is a little activity that I found on Pinterest, except I incorporated myself using the straw as a stem, and also using the Q-tips for the seeds, where the seeds are supposed to be. Okay, so once I am finished with it, I'll be back and show you how it looks. But this is how it's looking so far. Okay, so I am done with my painting, and this is how it looks. As you guys noticed, I had spilled some of the green paint right here, so what I did was I just dragged it up to the corner and made it a sun. And you can have fun with this. Have your kids mix the colors and see what colors they make once they get mixed. And it's kind of fun using forks to do the painting of the sunflower and the Q-tips, and they'll learn about sunflowers and how they grow, where they grow. And yeah, that's my lesson plan. That's what I plan to do, teach my kids about sunflowers. And then after we read about them and learn about them, have them do this painting, and then we'll display it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.